it will only work on the one that we have given the what? The class of boy. Okay, let's come down here again and let's open another div. Okay, by the time we open another div here and we say I am a young man. Okay, and then we now come here and say div class equals to boy. Well, okay, let us remove it first. Let us remove it and save it. So by the time we come to our browser, you see that I am a young man is also black. Okay, good. So by the time we decide to come to our code here and we give this one, this I am a young man, a class of boy too, and we save it, by the time you come here, it has turned to green because it is operating under the class of boy. Okay, good. So now if we decide to come under our styling also and we decide to say dot girl and put our curly brackets and we say color is brown. Okay, and we save it. By the time we come to our browser, it is not showing because we have not given our girl div a class of girl. Okay, by the time we come here and we say class equals to what? Girl. Okay, equals to girl, and we save it. By the time we come back here, it's already brown. Okay, so same way, if we decide to change this I am a young man, decide to change the class to girl, so it will no longer be green as for boy, it will now become brown for girl. Let's go and see it. Can you see now? So use your class to what? To set the one you want to design on, then you want to work on it wherever you want to work. In fact, in JavaScript, you can what? You can use it like that. You can get elements by what? By class name. Okay, we'll get there. So, but for the sake of this is how you use your class. Okay, this is how you use your class. Say for example, we want to use, just for example, we try to say div ID. Div ID is boy. Okay, now I will try to save it. It will give us black. I am a boy is black, but here we said I am a boy is what? Is green. So why it's not showing is that what is the reason I told you earlier that when you are using ID